beep, beep, beep. Today is an exciting day because we are finally getting tool sheds for the garage. So we're going to turn that disparate, horrible mess into nicely organized tool shed boxes here too. One of the upcoming videos is spark plugs. Now, future plans, first of all, shout out to Harbor Freight. Second of all, future plans, there are going to be cool, exciting videos. Last video, we did the TV mounting. And in upcoming videos, we're going to have like cool ideas on how to organize the tool sheds and stuff, especially when working on Boxsters or 911s. In this case, Boxster. You need like specific German car sockets and stuff. And so by default, when you buy them, they just come in in either boxes, in either very specific wrench holder thingies, that is the technical term, in either very proprietary holders like these. I can't find it right now, but I was gonna pull up a Ziploc bag. What we're going to do is make a nice like wooden organizer for all of the sockets, for all of the specific tools that you're gonna need, for triple square, for E-Torx, for all that good stuff. Organizers for hose clamps that we need for different particular steps as well. Organizers for the hoses, taking this all, putting it inside of tool sheds and like soldering onto the wood, different socket holes. I'm not comfortable yet enough filming people who are just trying to get by and do their jobs at Harbor Freight. So I'm not gonna film the Harbor Freight part. Just take my word that they're awesome, the nicest people that work by the Walmart on Calhoun Memorial tool shed boxes. This is pretty cool. Comes with its nice wooden surface, your instructions for assembly, which is basically putting the wheels on, and a key for locking the drawers, so we'll see those in action later. I got help loading the mobile workbench into the car at Harbor Freight. The hardest part of the installation was simply getting all of the packaging off and handling the sheer size and weight of the mobile workbench that I called tool sheds for some reason in the videos. So the way this workbench arrives, it comes with a handle hidden inside, or not hidden inside, just placed inside one of the drawers, as well as the wheels. I turned this sideways because I was thinking of rolling it in if the wheels are attached, and then I was like, might have to turn it on inside. There are gonna be 1 and 2 here. So this first one's gonna have the handle on the right. And per the instructions, with the locking wheels on the right-hand side, the locking wheels on the right-hand side. Turning the workbenches on their sides is surprisingly straightforward. The most careful or the most important thing that you have to look out for is not damaging or scratching that nice shiny paint. As it turned out, the wheels and the handle are hidden in the bottom right lower compartment. So as soon as you remove that, you can find all of the bolts, and there are 16 bolts with small mini 32 washers, so it's a lot to keep track of. Attaching the wheels is pretty straightforward. You want to have also the special washer that creates pressure attached to it as well. An electric battery-powered driving tool, I don't know if it qualifies as a driving torque wrench since it's not that powerful, makes pretty quick work of the wheels. Also, you don't want to obviously over-torque them, so as soon as you hear 1 or 2 clicks, you're done. But having the bolts pre-made with the washers is really easy. You just carry all the bolts over, attach them all, and once we're done, we're going to push it up on its side, roll it into the shop, and call it a day. Obviously, it's not recommended to set up this alone, as you can see, or next to anything sensitive because they do roll and you can create undue stress. Otherwise, it's not bad at all. Just lay it on its side, attach the wheels, and you're good to go. Here's a scene of me awkwardly waddling this into the garage and getting over the lip and the edge. I think this is the part where I say something interesting, unusual, and unexpected, so then people are like, that's why I watch Ruslan's channel, except for just watching like a tool thing get put together. So pro tip, when you're putting these together solo, how about this for a tip? You can put it together on its side. The wheels are in the bottom drawer. You just tip it on its side, put the wheels on. They're robust, they're great. And you tip it back up, and that way, one person can put this heavy thing all the way together. The second one is here, but I think we're going to clean this entire mess up. We've locked the cabinets so that they don't slide up onto the car. Here goes nothing. Where's 세우고 두서. You can't perfectly eliminate this gap if you get these two Yukons. So that's something good to know. These wheels will not get perfectly aligned. Although I will try. If you perfectly align these wheels, then the top gets misaligned. So we're just going to lovingly tap the wheels into place. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. We got it. And I'm too tired right now to make a video about sorting all of this into these toolboxes. Plus there's so much to do here, plus a cool label trick that I'll show y'all. Yeah, I'll save that for the next video. But thanks sincerely for tuning in and following along with the process. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks or if I can learn from you. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.